Hey, Will here with Crusher Trades, and you're watching the recap show for July 29th, 2024. And today we traded NVDA. Yep, at about 9:45, I bought August 2nd, $116 puts. And as you can see, up 54%, made $12,542. And this is what happened. I want to start by saying, but normally I don't take trades at 9:45 in the morning. My trades generally take place between 10 and 10:30 based on my strategy. I like the market to open. It's volatile. I let things digest. And after about 5-10 minutes, I draw out my levels, my intraday levels for me with my strategy for the day. These dashed lines represent 1 hour, and these represent 5-minute levels. So basically, you can see I have one dark orange and one light orange, and this dark orange one sits on top of a pink line, which represents a previous day high, and the previous day low is down here. Now, generally, this doesn't necessarily set up like this, but because this orange line, this orange level, ended up being on top of the previous day high, I considered that confluence, and that was more of an indicator for me to watch out for that level for a reaction. And as price moved up, it was a little early, like I said, but it moved up. I was watching it, and I moved over to the 1 minute, and you can see that the candle did not touch any of these levels, the previous day high or the level that I had marked out on there. I've learned in the past that if I took a trade, based on this, you get FOMO. You think you're going to miss the whole trade. But you know what happens? You end up getting an impulsive candle right here or here that shoots up for a high a day and keeps moving up. So I had to wait. I had no choice. I had to stay disciplined. And that's part of being a good trader is playing by the rules, not getting FOMO. Right? And at any rate, the price came back to retest the level. And when it retested on the 1 minute here, and I got this hammer candle going to the downside, did get a wick down here, but I'm fairly confident. I've done this strategy enough to know that I was going to get some kind of pullback on here. And once this closed, I went ahead and took my puts, moved over to the 5 minute, and once again, I scaled out at a 1 hour and a 5 minute level that were almost on top of each other. And you can see that it consolidated for a little while in here before pushing down a little farther. And then I was at another 1 hour level where I took most of my trade right here. I left a couple of trailers on for the next level down. And then I left another trailer on, which I got stopped out when the candle closed above this 1 hour level right here. So that's it. It's a pretty easy strategy. Like I said, normally it doesn't take place at 9:45. They're usually taking place about 10:30, but it's a pretty easy strategy. If you want to learn how I do it, tune in, subscribe to this channel, and watch me trade Monday through Friday from 9:30 to 11. And we'll see you then. Take care.